What are the precautions to be taken to avoid electric shock? Answer. Never handle electric equipments or operate switches when the hands are wet. Insert plug pins into socket and withdraw them only after switching off. Do not operate devices of high power using ordinary sockets. Wear rubber footwear while operating electric devices. Do not touch the interior part of the cable TV adapters. Ensure that there is an insulated cap for the adapters. Do not fly kites near electric lines. Do not use table fan to dry hair. Ensure that there are no tall buildings or tall trees near electric lines. Ensure that the main switch and ELCB are switched off when maintenance work is being carried out at home. First aid to be given in the case of electric shock. As a result of electric shock, the body temperature of the victim decreases, viscosity of blood increases, and clotting of blood occurs. In addition, muscles of the body contract. First aid should be given only after disconnecting the victim from the electric wire. How to provide the first aid? Raise the temperature of the body by massaging. Give artificial respiration. Massage the muscles and bring them to the original condition. Start first aid for the functioning of the heart. Apply pressure on the chest regularly. Take the person to the nearest hospital immediately. Precautions during some special circumstances. During lightning, avoid doing any work that will bring you in contact with the electric circuits. There is a possibility of excess current in the circuit during lightning. Disconnect the plugs from the socket whenever there is a chance of lightning. During rain and wind, electric lines are likely to touch the ground. This may cause danger. We have to be cautious on such occasions. If water enters home due to floods or other reasons, disconnect electric connections. Reconnect it only after ensuring that the main switch and the switchboard are perfectly dry. Thank you.